Hey my loves, welcome back to the channel. On today's recipe, I bring to you this delicious mouth-watering egg wrap. If you're interested, stay tuned. Let's quickly jump right into the recipe. So my loves, to make our simple egg wrap, we need some cheese, which I'm using cheddar cheese, eggs. We also need some ham and ketchup. So guys, those are just the simple ingredients we need, and also some wrap. So I'll just go on right now and take you guys through the process. I'll start by prepping my egg, and I'm going to be using 6 eggs for this recipe, and this 6 eggs is going to make up 2 wraps. After cracking the 6 eggs, I'll go ahead and whisk this. And I love adding seasoning to my eggs, just give it a nice taste and flavor. So I'll start by adding in some onion powder, garlic powder. I'll also add in my peri peri seasoning powder, just going to give it that nice flavor. And I'll add some black pepper. So those are the spices I'm using. I'm using salt, garlic powder, onion powder, peri peri sauce powder, and black pepper. So I'll just add a little of them each into the egg, and I'll thoroughly whisk this, and that's the egg ready. So right now I'll put my pan in the fire, and I'll add in just a tiny amount of butter. Right now, I'll go ahead and add half of the whisked egg into the pan, and I'll cover this on a low medium heat to get cooked. So right now the egg is 80% well cooked. I'll go ahead and cover this up with one wrap, and I'll use my plate to flip this. You can also use your spatula to flip it. So I'll just go ahead and use my plate to flip it up. After that, I'll go ahead and add a good amount of cheese. So adding the cheese depends on how you like it. You can also use mozzarella cheese if you don't like cheddar cheese. So like, you just go ahead and use the type of cheese that you like. And right now I'll add in some ham. I'm using some cooked ham. You can also substitute the ham. If you don't like ham, you can substitute it for chicken or turkey. So right now I'll add in a little amount of ketchup, as my kids love ketchup. So I'm making this for them, and I'm following the recipe that they love. You can add something else if you don't like ketchup, but I tell you, the ketchup just like make this wrap so yummy, mouth watering. And I'll cover this up and allow the cheese to melt. So you want to cover the wrap up so it will heat up the cheese inside and allow it to melt, and also make the ham inside hot. Yeah, because you don't want your ham or your turkey or chicken slice to be cold inside the wrap. So I'll make this to get cooked while flipping each side, and voila, that's our wrap ready. So easy, yummy, filling, and that's it. I'll go ahead and make the other wraps. You can see my little one right there, already waiting to munch on this yummy, delicious egg wrap. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this recipe helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe if you've not done so, and share this video with your loved ones. Wow, look at how delicious, mouth-watering this easy and delicious egg wrap look like, and it's so easy to make, very affordable. See you guys on my next recipe. Do have a beautiful day. Bye bye.